Okay, so when I say main character energy, I mean it's giving what it's supposed to give and gave times 10. So girlie, stop letting the dropper touch your skin when you're applying this facial serum. And then when you're applying it, make sure that you pat it in. Do not rub aggressively on your skin. It's gentle, right? It's going to give you that nice hydrating glow to repair your skin. This serum is formulated with niacinamide, neem seed oil, rosemary, and aloe to restore moisture and brighten the skin.